Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Kunjal Kabade, aka The Twisted Tales, and today is the 19th of December 2021 and it's a Sunday, and today I am at a very special place. I am going to vlog the day and show you all and tell you everything why this place is so special to me. So come along. Before telling you guys where I am today, I have come to this place after almost 5 years. I came to this place back in 2017 in the February for a party, and after that I don't remember coming here because I don't know the reason, like we were super busy, then corona happened and everything. But today I am here for some work, but I'm just going to show you all. It's a very emotional moment for me because, like, for the first time when I saw this place, I was 9 years old. This place was a whole barren land, and today it is something different. My father has built it with so much of love. It is his pet project, his love, and his holiday place, and everything. The gate is a little broken, but we'll adjust. These are some Singapore and Thai coconut trees. They have become very tall. These were baby saplings when I saw them first long time ago, and this is a man-made pond. Look at the beautiful lotuses. They are like the dark pink colored ones. And okay, to reveal, this is my farmhouse. It's in Badlapur in Maharashtra in India, and it's a lovely place to be in. I'm here after a long time, but we have had a lot of parties and get-togethers here. That's my dad's car. The house looks like from outside. In the right side where my mom is standing, it's an open barbecue area. Then we have a leisure passage kind of area. Actually, a few years back, like in 2017, we expanded this size to just do some other leisure activities. Here is a big passage where we used to hang our hammocks and sit down. The man-made pond. There are fishes, there are tortoises, and might be some water snakes inside here. But look at the beautiful lotuses. I'll zoom in a little bit. Look how beautiful they are. So, fun fact about this pond, I was in school, I don't remember, might be in 6th or 7th standard, and we had to build this. So during the summer vacation, we were literally staying here for about 7 to 10 days. Every day the JCP used to come, we used to do the work. I don't even remember how I used to entertain myself at that time. I was having my vacations and we were staying here, but the caretaker had a few kids, so as to roam around with them and do a lot of fun stuff with them. I have planted stuff, like I have planted rice, flowers, plucked up vegetables and everything in this place. I just can't get over the lotuses. Go inside and see how the house is still. I do remember how it was, but let's see. The windows are really big, so we used to climb out from here and go there and just do stuff. Like sitting here, we used to talk with our relatives and everything. So this is the area, this is the kitchen platform that we have made. These are the 2 bedrooms and we have bathrooms inside them. We also had an AC installed in one of the rooms because in summer it gets too hot, and here's a small fridge for the beverages and food. So here we had a hammock, and here we had a small swing, and we used to sit there and just chill here also with all the chairs and everything. And then we used to play a lot of stuff here, like me, my cousins, or if my family, friends and everybody came. Here is the all meter section and everything, water stuff. And earlier here used to be a small house for the caretaker, but recently he left, so we broke it down, and another caretaker, he lives in some other place. This was another kitchen platform and an open barbecue area where the auntie is cooking currently, and these are some outside washrooms that we had built so that if the other ones are occupied, we can use these ones. This used to be the cow shed where we had 2 bullocks and a cow, but now we don't have them currently. And this area is all the farming land in the upscale. Even that place is the farming land.
जो एंट्री किया ना वो नाथा का घर था।
Beside the house there is a river which comes from the dam, but currently it is dried up. Only a little bit of water is there. And opposite side of that, where we started in the beginning, the gate, behind that a little further there is another farmhouse by Siroshi uncle. It is his farmhouse, and when we were little he had a lot of cattle, dogs, cats, and everything, and they had a lot of flowers and everything in their farm. So when we were letting me and the caretaker's kids, they were also little, like they are of my age only. We used to go there to play with the cattle kids and the dogs and everything. And they had a gate which used to be locked all the time to avoid intruders. We used to climb up or climb from down of the gate and go there, because like it was a slope and there was quite a distance between the gate's end and the road, so it was easier to slide from down. But that was a really fun memory that I had of this place, which I've cherished now for like years. And we have not really gone there since a long time. Even Sitoshi uncle lives in some other place, so he's also not here a lot of the times. So that's it. We never actually commercialized this place. This place is kept only for family and things. Like we come here, we stay here, my parents come here and stay here for like days. They enjoy the vibe of the nature. We all love nature. There are so many birds here in the morning, and in the evening when they're going back home you can see different birds. There are black ibis, there are gray herons, there are bulbuls, and so many different types of sparrows and everything that you can see here. My parents have clicked the pictures they have sent me and everything. So it is like a leisure thing for us. We come here, then even our family comes here with us, some family friends. We all stay together and have fun. It is not a commercial place. We don't give out for rents and everything. It is just for us. Here for lunch, like actually for pani puri, because they give the best pani puri. Hey guys, good evening. So Khemali has come to meet me and she got me this book. And look, we were playing bingo actually, and now we are going to just sit and chit chat, and I'm going to end this vlog right here. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.